blue car.
Hello.
Come on to the bridge.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's a good spot. Watch this. Aha!
Welcome to play.
All right, Kaden, what do you got? Is that the Build and Play Colossal Construction Zone?
Yeah.
Yes. 127 pieces from American Plastic Toys. Are you excited?
Yeah.
That's definitely excited. It has a working crane, 8 vehicles, a drawbridge, and a turntable with all kinds of extra cool stuff too to make it your own construction zone.
Okay, ready?
You need a little dump in it. All right, let's see what we can do. All right. Oh my gosh. There it goes. Oh my gosh. This is a lot.
Let's build it.
Let's build it. Let's do it.
Yes.
Perfect. Kaden, where are you?
On the ball.
In the bogs. You're supposed to be helping me put this together. Here, poke your head out. I want to see you. You can't, can you?
What?
This thing is huge, guys. This took so long to put together, but luckily...
Sorry guys, I'm doing it right now. You're gonna come here.
Oh, it's a construction zone?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Show me how this thing works. Whoa, cool! Ah! It's super huge. It's so big.
I got it.
Whoa!
Where will you put it?
Where are you gonna put it?
Over the... Be tricky.
It's gonna be tricky. Ah! Alright guys, so this thing is super cool. So we've got this dump truck here. You can put it underneath the loading zone. Put the dump truck there. You can drop stuff in here. And then he can roll away. He's got the turntable. You do that here. And then he can roll out.
You blocked it. Ready?
Yeah. Now unhook it. Whoa.
Okay.
That was cool.
I will take the hook off.
Ah, you missed.
Okay, let's try one more time.
Gotta line it up.
Get ready. Set. Go on the bridge. Let's just work these today.
Okay.
He's going to fly home. Ready?
We're ready.
I'll go home with my children. Let's go.
Careful, dump truck.
Not worry, I need somebody to push me. Ha! Scorper, fly you, I need you.
Ah!
This is no great idea. Ate it. Ate it.
Little zone right here where cars can sit inside the mine.
Don't flip me, car.
I'll flip you off the whole thing.
Oh, you messed me. Now I'm gonna mix you up.
Look, that car's hiding. You see it?
Brooklyn, I see it. What is it?
I'm not coming out.
What is it? Oh, I see.
They found you! Run, red car, run!
How this? What?
Ah! Oh no! Oh, you flipped him. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe
Watch the cry.
to Two Brothers Play.